Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the United States. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. So, where are you coming from today?
I just arrived from Istanbul, Turkey.
Oh, Istanbul. That's a beautiful city. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation. I've always wanted to visit New York and experience the culture.
That sounds nice. How long will you be staying in the country?
About 2 weeks. My return flight is on the 20th.
And where will you be staying during your trip?
I've booked a room at the Grand Central Hotel in Manhattan.
Do you have your hotel reservation confirmation with you?
Yes, here's a printed copy. And I also have the email on my phone.
Perfect. Do you have any friends or relatives in the U.S.?
No, not really. I'm just traveling alone this time.
All right. Do you have enough funds for your stay?
Yes, I do. I have some cash and a travel card.
Great. Have you ever been to the U.S. before?
No, this is my first time here.
Welcome then. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
You can proceed to baggage claim, then customs. Enjoy your trip.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
Good evening. Need a ride?
Yes, please. Can you take me to the Grand Central Hotel in Manhattan?
Of course. Put your luggage in the trunk. I'll help you.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
No problem. So, is this your first time in New York?
Yes, it is. I've seen it in movies so many times, and it feels unreal to finally be here.
Yeah, people say that a lot. You'll love the city. It's always full of energy.
I can tell already. The skyline looked amazing from the plane.
That's true. So, are you here for business or pleasure?
Just pleasure. I needed a break from work, so I decided to travel.
That's the best reason. You picked a good time. The weather's perfect this week.
That's great to hear. Do you drive to Manhattan every day?
Yeah, pretty much. The traffic can be crazy, but I've been doing this for 10 years.
Wow, that's a long time. You must know every street by heart.
You bet. I could drive there with my eyes closed.
That's impressive.
All right, we're almost there. Would you like me to drop you right at the entrance?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here we are. The Grand Central Hotel.
Perfect. How much do I owe you?
That'll be $45, please.
Here's 50. Keep the change.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a great night.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Grand Central Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Yit Alp.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Alp, I see your booking for a double room for 14 nights.
That's right.
May I have your passport and a credit card for check-in, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Would you prefer a room on a higher floor or closer to the lobby?
A higher floor, please, if possible. I'd like a nice view.
Certainly. I can give you a room on the 10th floor with a city view.
That sounds perfect.
All right. Here's your room key, number 1012. The elevators are to your left.
Great, thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on the second floor.
Perfect. Oh, one more thing. Do you have free Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, of course. The network name and password are printed on this card.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure, sir. Enjoy your stay with us.
Thanks. Have a wonderful evening.
You too, sir.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Grand Central Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. No, I don't, but I'm staying at the hotel.
That's perfectly fine. Would you like to sit by the window or near the bar?
By the window, please. I'd love to enjoy the view while I eat.
Excellent choice. Please, follow me. Here you go, sir. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here's our dinner menu.
Everything looks delicious. What do you recommend?
Our signature dish is the New York strip steak. It's grilled to perfection and served with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables.
That sounds amazing. Is it spicy?
No, not at all. But if you'd like, the chef can add a bit of pepper sauce.
No, that's fine. I'll have it as it is.
Wonderful. How would you like your steak cooked? Rare, medium, or well done?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Would you like something to drink?
Just water for now, please. Maybe some coffee after dinner.
Certainly. I'll bring your water right away. Here's your steak, sir. Be careful, the plate is hot.
Wow, that looks incredible. Thank you.
Would you like any sauce or extra napkins?
No, this is perfect. Thanks again.
How's everything, sir? Is your steak cooked the way you like it?
It's perfect, tender and full of flavor. Compliments to the chef.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Sure. What do you recommend for dessert?
Our New York cheesecake is quite popular. Or you can try our homemade chocolate lava cake.
The lava cake sounds tempting. I'll try that.
Excellent choice. Would you like that with a scoop of vanilla ice cream?
Yes, please. That would be perfect.
Here's your dessert, sir. Enjoy.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Would you like your coffee now?
Yes, please. A black coffee would be great.
Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. Everything was excellent. Can I have the check, please?
Certainly, sir. One moment, please. Here's your check. Take your time.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Thank you very much, sir. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
I did, very much. Have a nice evening.
You too, sir. Good night.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more everyday and common English conversations.